Hi guys, this is Mrs. Young. I'm going to go over the notes tonight for the homework. So this is going to be very helpful for finding out the answer to number 1. It should be very helpful for number 1 because I'm going to go ahead and set up number 1. I haven't set up the other ones I didn't set up the other ones for the last couple of homeworks because it wasn't as confusing, but I was having a lot of questions about number 1. So make sure that you solve the following problems using a strip diagram and your percent proportion. You should have your notes. They are in your journal and they are blue. We did them today. They're blue. They look like this. Ta-da, ta-da. I told you guys to take it home. So they should look like that. I can send some pictures of this home through Remind. I'll post it on Canvas if that will help you guys. But I will do that here shortly. So let's do number 1 and go ahead and set that one up. First things first is you need to tell me what your part, your whole, and your percent. What is your part? In this case, it says 25% of what number is 12. They gave us 25%, so I know that goes here. What number is 12? So 25% of what whole big number is 12? So 12 is my part. I don't know the whole. So if I set it up with my percent proportion, you should have 12 over a whole number. We don't know what this number is. Equals your percent over 100. And your notes specifically say the number above or below the missing number. So you're going to take this number, multiply it by the number straight diagonally across. So we are going to multiply 12 times 100, and that is 1,200. Then we're going to divide by the next number, which is 25, the only number left. And then 1,200 divided by 25 is 48. So that should be your answer. Now, if we do our strip diagram, we have our percents across the bottom, and then we don't know the whole, so this is what we're looking for, and then 0. I know that 25% is what I'm looking for. So I'm going to count by 25. So I'm going to split this into 4 pieces, because if I divide 100 by 25, I get 4. So I'm going to count by 25%, 50%, 75%. Then across the top, I know 25% is the same thing as 12% of my whole number. So those should be right across from each other. So 12 goes here. Then I know that I'm counting from 0 to 12 here. Then I have to count 12 plus 12, which is 24. 24 plus 12 is 36. Then 36 plus 12 is our answer, and that is 48. And then if you shade in 12% of 48, your answer should be 48. You can also make sure on all of them you are doing your part, your whole, percent. You're setting up the percent proportion, and then you're doing your strip diagram. On number 2, you can also split this one into 4 pieces. I'm not going to tell you what they are going to be labeled, but this one can also be split into 4 pieces and divide your whole and the 100% into 4 pieces across the bottom. Number 3, 35 is what percent of 140? So this is what we're looking for. We do not have the percent. You don't know what the percent is here. And then this one, you are looking for the part. So I am giving you that at least. Again, I will send you a screenshot of the notes from today, so everybody has a copy of that in case you forgot it, and I'll put that on Canvas and I'll send that through Remind. So if you have any questions, send me a message through Remind up until 8 o'clock when I turn my phone on silent, and then up until 8 o'clock on Canvas as well. Have a good day, guys. Bye.